In this video, I will be going over the theory of multiple intelligences. Now, there is 8 intelligences. The first one is logical, mathematical. The second is verbal, linguistic. The third is interpersonal. The fourth is body, kinesthetic. The fifth is musical. The sixth is visual, spatial. The seventh is intrapersonal, and the eighth is naturalistic. The way that I describe, I focus on the intelligences and how they work for teachers. So I put, what is a theory of multiple intelligences? This theory was founded by Howard Gardner, a psychologist who believed learning was not only based on numbers and the scholastic approach of learning. Learning is based on the different methods in which learning can be acquired. For example, teachers may use this theory by using one of the many intelligences to solidify the student's ability to learn. The teacher can use graphs to show logical mathematics. Another day, a teacher can demonstrate verbal linguistic by having students write essays or poems. And the picture in the bottom shows a student either doing arts and crafts, or this is a way a teacher can help students learn by either doing that. They can do puzzles. There's so many different ways through these 8 intelligences that teachers can find a way, either through music, through dancing, through singing a song. It can help students learn in a different way. Now I'm going to go down to the second page. And this page I focus more on students. Students are able to learn through this theory in various ways. Multisensory learning plays a big role in this type of theory. Because kids are able to learn through many of their senses, children are able to learn through different activities. For example, if you teach your students about math, we can use visual representations or sing a song to them to use to their auditory as a way to learn. Through spatial intelligence, children can learn how to work with puzzles, arts and crafts. The benefit of all these different types of activities is that it will help bring out the potential in each student so they can achieve academically. If a student is having a hard time in math, any of the other intelligences can help the student learn better. If visual does not work, then the teacher might not want to try something artistic. In an article, I found it very interesting that research was done on people whom, for example, work at a bank, yet they graduated with a bachelor's in agriculture. Many of the people graduate in different professions, yet they have a different job, which states that humans are capable of learning and applying different intelligences in their lives. And I put this quote up: children must be taught how to think, not what to think. I think it applied really well to this topic. Below, I attached a graph or some sort of picture. It just shows how these different types of methods help in teaching, like debate, giving explanations, discussions, explaining activity, steps, and so forth. This is a visual linguistic, helps teachers design ways to help students. And below you can see the different references to all of these topics that I have done.